Welcome to the Open Elective promotion video. In this video, you are going to learn about the basic of electrical wiring harness study. The outline of the presentation, which include the overview of the course, learning the content, course objective, course outcome, basic meaning of electrical wiring harness, application, syllabus content, employability opportunity in the course. The overview of the course name is Electrical Wiring Harness. It is offered in the third year to the programs except the electrical. It is open electric course except the electrical. Other all programs are it will going to offer. The lecture hours weekly 3 hours, and the credit points you are going to learn about 3 credit points from the set 1, and as similar to that ISE and the MSE and the ESE exam mark pattern, and the scheduled hours is 42 hours. The course instructor, so myself, I am Dr. R. Arulmurugan, professor in Department of Electrical Engineering Department, Anna Sahib Donge, College of Engineering and Technology. Okay, so you will going to look about the learning the content. So what you are going to learn from the subject, the juice content I am giving you over years, it covers basic circuits. So you are going to learn about the basics of the Ohm's law, and why you want to study the Ohm's law and Kirchhoff's law, where it is implemented, okay, in the circuits. You are going to learn. Then purpose of the resistance. So you are going to learn about the purpose of the resistance and various of the tools, multimeter, testers, test lamp, test light. It is called about that one. You are going to learn, and you are going to learn about the basic wiring systems, soldering iron. You have seen electronics, so everywhere it is that one electronic system is behind there. If you have look about your mobile phone background is a PCB board is there, printed circuit board, or you can take about that one remote control. It is there in the printed circuit board. The printed circuit board they consist of that various number of the electronics elements. So with the help of the soldering, they will go to soldered, desoldered. With the help of the guns, desoldering guns, and followed by you are going to learn about the distribution type of the connectors, plugs, wires, and the purpose of the ignition switch, wiring harness under their controllers, and a door lock circuit. You will going to study about that one, and the battery usages. Everyone you are going to use the mobile phones. The mobile phone it will going to work with the help of the battery. Okay, the battery utilizations. If you are going to not utilize the battery or not a proper maintenance of the battery, it will going to quickly become a large size. It will going to reduce the lifespan of the battery. So the battery is a overcharge and over discharge you should be avoided. So that the basic things you will going to know about that one, the utilization of the battery, and the basic behind about the charge controller, and coming to that one here. So factory wiring system. So next after complete your engineering, you are going to work on that factory. In that factory, where is the wiring system? What type of wiring system is there? Where is the panel board is there? How the system is working? You want to know basic things, and the accessory tools and the fuse panel, etc. You will going to know about that ones. So this is a basic content. Okay, basic of these content or those content you are going to learning from the subject. Okay, the next one, the course objective. So what is the objective of this course is that you will going to learn the basic electrical wiring harness you are going to learn. Then second one is that to understand factory wiring, accessory tools and panel, etc. Then third one, to learn the purpose of electrical tools. So what is the purpose of the electrical tools, how to utilize the electrical tools, and the basic of the circuits you are going to learn about that one. And fourth one, to build a simple home wiring systems. So home wiring system you will going to build by your own, and to identify and troubleshoot the fault. Sometimes fault is happening in your residential or factory in that wiring systems. How to self prevention, and then how to protect the systems. So that are the things you will going to know about that ones. This is the purpose of the objective of the systems. And the next one is the course outcome. So at the end of the course, you are going to you will be able to understand the various electrical principles and tools in vehicles. The next one, explain the basics of the automotive wiring system. Describe different components used in automotive wiring systems. Automotive wiring system, different components, what are that? Discuss the advanced installations and the interfaces of automotive wiring system. Solve the different problems in automotive wiring. So you will going to solve the different problems in automotive wiring systems. So these are the outcome of the course. Okay. So you will going to see what is electrical wiring harness. What is electrical wiring harness? It's nothing but a complete electrical wiring system of a vehicle. So take an example of the vehicle. So electrical vehicle, either the two-wheeler or the four-wheeler, okay, bike or car, a complete electrical wiring system. It is called electrical wiring harness. Okay. Here you will going to look at about the diagrams. Okay, the picture is showing about that one. Okay, connecting. So connecting about that one electrical vehicles. Okay. So once the chassis structure is assembled, mechanical part is over. The wiring harness, it will going to coming to the road. So the breaker, okay, electrical breaker systems and the fuel lines, okay, fuel line indicators. It will going to put it in the places proper about that ones. The extension work of the various form of wiring harness of a car and bike. So these are the things is behind about that one. The wiring harness is a electrical distribution system of a car. Then, so this is a, for example, bike system. So bike system, the electrical wiring harness diagrams show you how from the motor to how to connect it to the controller, from the controller to how to connect it to the accelerator, and then similarly how okay, here is a brake. If I will going to apply for that electrical brake, the brake it will going to communicate to the controller to the motor. Okay, like it will going to work about that once. The next one, what is harness? So this is a basic about the self protections. Okay, and then what about that one? Electrical harness. So electrical protections and the electrical insulated conducting wiring systems. So insulated conducting wiring bound together with the insulating materials. Okay, so that is about that one electrical harness. Okay, the next one is the syllabus content. So this is about the syllabus content of the 3 unit. So you are going to study about the electrical principles and a simple circuit. You will going to study in the unit number 1, unit number 2, the fundamentals of the automotive wiring systems, and the third one is the ignition switches and the wiring harness and the controllers you are going to study. Then fourth one is a troubleshooting you will going to study. Then fifth one is advanced installation and the interfaces you will going to study. And the sixth one is building a wiring harness you will going to study. So you can look voltage divider. See, this is a voltage connected across the two element. These two element, okay, 10 volt, 100 voltage is applied. So it is going to divide it. How it is divided? Whether is it equally divided? If it is equally divided means both resistance are equal. If it is the case, equally divided. If it is the higher value, then it will going to vary. So like you will going to learn about that one. And the employability opportunity in the related to the course. So you are going to study, okay, about the wiring harness systems. Okay, how it is utilized, how it will going to troubleshoot this troubleshootings. Okay, everything you are going to know about that ones. You have related to that industry safety measurements, and you will going to entrepreneurship opportunity. You will going to making. So you are going to study about the resistance, how to make about that ones, and some existing making is there. Utilize the making system and explain the systems. So you are going to know and the purpose of learning this subject. Thank you for patient hearing. Thank you.